Hey everyone! Welcome back to Balanced Cuisine, where we explore the best ways to live a healthier life. Today, we're talking about a tiny but mighty superfood, chia seeds. Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat them every day? Stick around, because we're going to talk about the amazing benefits and a few things to watch out for. Plus, we'll share some creative ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Chia seeds may be small, but they are loaded with essential nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons contain 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and a hefty dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, they're packed with calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants that help fight free radicals. These tiny seeds have been used for centuries by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans, who relied on them for sustained energy. Because they are such a great source of nutrients, chia seeds are an easy way to boost your diet without needing fancy supplements. Whether you're an athlete looking for extra endurance, someone aiming for better bone health, or just trying to get more fiber into your diet, chia seeds are an incredible addition to your meals. When chia seeds are exposed to liquid, they form a gel-like consistency, which helps slow down digestion and keeps your intestines hydrated. This can be especially beneficial for those dealing with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or chronic constipation. Additionally, fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and enhancing overall digestive health. Just make sure to drink plenty of water, or they might do the opposite and cause bloating or discomfort. Trying to manage your weight? Chia seeds can help. Their ability to absorb water and expand in your stomach makes you feel full longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and overeating. Plus, they stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that make you crave unhealthy foods. Because chia seeds absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, they can help curb your appetite naturally. They slow down the absorption of food, which helps prevent sudden hunger spikes and cravings. This makes them an excellent food choice for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight without extreme dieting. Additionally, since they provide a steady release of energy, they can help prevent midday slumps that often lead to unnecessary snacking on junk food. Simply adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal can help you feel full and satisfied for hours. Your heart will thank you for adding chia seeds to your diet. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. Studies show they can even lower blood pressure, making them a great choice for those looking to support their cardiovascular system. The type of omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, known as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, has been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds also contain magnesium and potassium, which help relax blood vessels and keep blood pressure in check. Additionally, their high antioxidant content protects the heart from oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases. If you're looking for a natural way to support a healthy heart, chia seeds are a fantastic option. While chia seeds are incredible, there are a few things to keep in mind. Eating large portions of chia seeds diminishes their benefits and increases potential dangers like allergies, choking, and digestive problems. Consuming large quantities of chia seeds may impact nutrient and medication absorption. Limit the portion size to 2 to 3 tablespoons to reduce any dangers of chia seeds. So, should you eat chia seeds daily? Absolutely. When consumed in moderation and with enough hydration, they offer a ton of health benefits. From digestion to heart health, these tiny seeds can make a big impact on your well-being. They're easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, mix them into smoothies, or make delicious chia puddings for a nutrient-packed treat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health and wellness content. Also, let me know in the comments, how do you like to eat chia seeds? Do you have a favorite recipe? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.